Welcome back, Web3 TV. I'm Christina Najera, and we are at Cardano Summit with Rodolfo from Fida Finance. How are you doing today?
Hey, it's a pleasure to be here. It's fun. It's great. It's the second day of the summit, and it's just been wonderful so far. The amount of interest of people coming by, like getting to know, explaining what we do, it's been awesome.
Yes, I got very attracted to your booth. I loved your idea. Would you like to share more about that?
Sure. So Fida Finance is a take and a key part of reinventing insurance in the blockchain era. So I'm not going to go and explain all of insurance because it's super complicated. But if you think about the crowdsourcing and like the fractionalization of one, right? Insurance as an investment, not as a product that you have to pay for, but as an investment that is uncorrelated to the financial system, and it's like people, it's a very, very safe investment, is inaccessible to the normal person, and that's what we're going to change.
Wow, I love that. I think insurance is very important for everyone, but not everybody can afford it. But
Exactly.
now I feel if you put this as an investment, people can think it's not just money that is not gonna work for me. It's money that you can use it if something happened to you, but also as an investment. Would you like to elaborate more on that?
Yeah, and even think about it as so the one of the first forms of insurance is mutual insurance. So the Chinese and in our NFTs we have this beautiful ship. The idea of like we're gonna go and do an enterprise together. We're gonna go ship salt right from the top of the river, but we do it in multiple ships. So if one of the ships flounders, right, then okay, we lost a shipment. The people get back on the other boat, and it's only a partial loss. So insurance is historically about that, of humans supporting each other and having a safeguard, so you can go by and just do your thing, right? And that's what we're enabling. We fractionalize a contract, and now like what would otherwise be prohibitive and centralizes money is now subdivided, and let's say there's a million of a currency, in this case ADA, for example, as an enterprise gets divided in a million people, and then everybody has an ADA, right? You put it in ADA and you're helping everybody else out on like if there's a climate change catastrophe, right, an earthquake, a flood, and we're all just like collaboratively working together.
Yes, I feel that insurance is one of the issues that cannot be solved with Web 2. So utilizing Web 3 is so powerful. Would you like to explain how Web 3 is changing this industry?
Well, it enables like so many additional use cases and removes so much friction from the system. Like a ballpark figure is like we could probably be 10 times more efficient than the current insurance industry is, right? And you enable a use case like, let's say, travel insurance. So you bought your ticket, you're gonna take a flight here to Dubai to the summit, but you're worried that if the flight is canceled, then it's a big problem. So you get travel insurance, and right, you pay 5 ADA, and then you want a thousand ADA, 500 ADA cover, and it is because it's on blockchain, because you can integrate oracles into the thing. The moment the flight gets canceled, and you're like at the airport seeing the notification, right? 5 minutes, 10 minutes later, it's like, oh, here's my money. I didn't have to do anything. That makes it so you recover as soon as possible, right? The more it takes for you to be indemnified, right, made whole again, the less real that the promise of insurance becomes. So enabling that instantaneity again, and same for the investor side, like the inefficiency of the current system is like it's ridiculous.
Yes, Rodolfo, can Web 3 bring more freedom?
Of course. Then and the UTXO model, right, on Cardano makes it so you get the the precise granularity of every insurance policy crisscrossed, mixed, and combined, still tracked to every like across the multiple investors, and it's a it's a freeing for regulators even where like maybe you didn't know this, but insurance fraud also happens on the other end. So reinsurers they can say they have an amount to cover you, but then it's not there, right? It's actually well there was a problem at the bank, or it's just not there. They used it for something else. On a blockchain, you get that verify, don't trust kind of scenario where yeah, it's there, it's going to work. So it's really powerful.
Wow, thank you so much, Rodolfo, for your time. It was very interesting to understand more about what you do and how Web3 can change insurance.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Remember to share this with your friends because everybody deserves to know more about Web3, AI, cryptocurrency, and blockchain. I'm Christina Najera. See you next time.